What up, y'all? Good morning, good afternoon, almost afternoon. Howdy. I just got out of bed basically for the first time, and it's 11:30. In a weird funk today. I don't know how else to put it. Just feeling unmotivated to do anything. Basically, like, I feel like how it looks outside in Southern California right now. Yeah. Gloomy. I don't know. I just feel out of it today. It's not raining right now, but it keeps saying that it's going to start raining, and I know what would help, and it's honestly going on a walk. I think I feel weird because I didn't go on a walk yesterday. Yeah. And honestly, right before I hit record, I'm not gonna lie, I was literally thinking to myself, like, you know what? Maybe I just talk to the camera for a little bit and just call that a video. But now that I'm sitting here actually, like, chatting, I'm already doing the thing, you know? The first step is just to pull the camera out and hit record. Yeah, I don't know. Just feeling weird today. And I'm just gonna be authentic and film exactly how I'm feeling every day. So when you see me in like a super good mood, that's just me in a really good mood. And I'm not gonna like cover up the way I feel like I do right now just because I'm recording a video. So yeah. I think I was messaging Griffin about this earlier and just telling him that I'm like in a funk, and he was like, dude, just wait until that drum set comes in, it's gonna be amazing. And that alone like got me hyped up, because that is going to be amazing. I can't wait to get back into drumming. It's gonna be so amazing. Yeah. But anyway, yeah, that's how I'm feeling right now. I'm gonna sit here and stare out, look at gloomy LA for a little bit, and might make breakfast. I don't know if I'm gonna film it. And yeah, I'm just gonna chill. So that's the update. YEEET. Hello again. I ate some breakfast. Yeah. I'm so out of it right now. But I decided I'm gonna get up. I have a bunch of like random stuff that I need to take to the studio in preparation for the electric drum set. And I decided I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna do the freaking thing. I'm gonna stop sitting here on my butt. And yeah, I'm gonna go to the studio. Just get this stuff knocked out, you know? So it'll just give me something to do, get out of the house, walk around a little bit, then I'll come back. Probably won't stay at the studio for too long, but yeah. That's the plan. I'm gonna shower first, and then I'll get ready to go. So as much as my brain is literally telling me, like, bro, you don't have to do anything. You could just sit here all day. As much as I want to listen to that side of my brain, I have to get up and I have to do the thing. So let's get it. All right, y'all. I just got all of these cables that we need for the studio, like a headphone extender, a cable for the drum set that we have coming in, extra cables, cable ties, wipes, a mouse pad, hoping I can fit in here, and some trash bags. I also have a package over here that I haven't taken out of the package. I'm just going to take it to the studio. I got a trash can and a broom and dustpan. Just all stuff for the studio, just to help organize, keep everything clean. So, yeah. Oh, yeah. I don't know if you can see it or not. Doing laundry while I'm gone. Staying ahead, not letting it pile up again. All right, well, I think I'm ready. So, let's head to the studio. All right, y'all. I have this package right here. So, this is going to be really difficult to film heading to the studio, so I'm just not going to. I will see you when I get there. Yeah. Peace. Yay! All right, y'all. We are at the studio. It's a chill little drive. Nothing crazy. Yeah. Excited to get all this stuff set up, clean up the studio a little bit, get it ready for the drum set. So that's the plan. Hello. We in the studio. Got some stuff that I need to open up and kind of get situated. We're going to get this chair out of here today. I think I'm just going to put it downstairs in the lobby and see if anybody wants it. Because we don't have space for it or a need for it anymore because drum set's going to be here. So, yeah. Let's get into it. Yeehaw, brother. Oh, yay. All right. Let's get into it. Come on, man. We got a little broom and dustpan. And a little baby trash can. You saw all the other stuff, so I'm just going to get this open. And, yeah. It's a little baby trash can. I just needed something for in here. Oh, it gave me a couple trash bags. Cool. Yeehaw, brother. Got us a little baby trash can. I just gotta figure out where to put it now. I'll just set it over here for right now. That's fine. Excited about this. As like lame as that sounds, I'm just excited to have a broom and dustpan in here because it's pretty disgusting. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is the top handle for the dustpan. I got this because I wanted to just have something super small that I could like hide behind the fridge. Like nothing crazy at all. You know? It's a broom. And then I could put it in here like this. I was hoping maybe, let me see something. Could I like store it like this? If I could just bada boom, bada bang, you know? I don't want it super tall. It takes up so much space. But yeah. Oh, this is much needed. You guys have no idea. So yeah, that's basically all I'm gonna do today. I'm just gonna like clean up, organize, get some stuff ready, get that chair out of here, get everything ready. Get everything ready for the drum set that's going to be here, hopefully this weekend. So, yeah. What the freaking heck is this, dude? Oh, this goes to this mic stand. This is a cable tie. That's for some reason been down here for almost a year. Not gonna lie, there's no reason that I shouldn't have already had a broom and dustpan here, if I'm being completely honest. But, you know, I never got one. And the studio has collected a lot of dirt and dust and filth over the last year. I'm cleaning that up today. No more. Those days are long gone of having a dirty studio. Maybe I will add one more pole to this. Gotta keep the studio clean, you know? Okay. Sorry this video is all over the place. It's just the way she goes sometimes. Is that a spider? What the hell? There's a spider back there. Don't love that. Using the new trash can. Let's go. Let me break these boxes down real quick. Sorry if I'm making you nervous. Bro, it looks so much better already, just half swept. I have all these grocery bags I was using for trash bags, but we now have a trash can, so I'm taking these home with me. I'm just gonna move all this stuff. Ugh, I don't like that. Felt a spider web. Don't love that. I'm just gonna move all of this stuff out of the way. Bro, there's like spider webs. Oh, that was a mistake. I'm gonna regret that. But I wanna clean this up. Like, we're gonna be sitting right here with the drum set. Might as well get it clean, you know? This is the AC vent, which is fantastically placed for where the drum set's gonna be. I'll let that settle for a second. Can you just see how much dust and dirt is on the floor? Pretty gross. In case anybody's wondering what that little white thing is on the floor, we were having an ant problem. Like, the whole building was. So they put some ant traps in here. I'm feeling pretty good about all this, though. Okay, let's move this back. Let's move this over here for now. Just for now. Anything left, we'll just get to the wall. Sick nasty, brother. See if we can't dump this in the trash can without making a huge mess. We did it. Yay. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's pretty freaking great. I'm not gonna lie. That can just sit right there. That's fine. Also, I'm going to turn all of these around because I feel like they look better facing this way. So you can see their beauty, you know? It made sense before because it was over there. But now I decided to put it on this side. So, yeah, dude, this is sick. I highly doubt you guys will be able to tell the difference, maybe, but we're all swept up. Yeah. Feeling good. Cool. Now I just gotta organize all the little stuff. Get this chair downstairs. And yeah, let's get all the rest of this stuff out and set up and organized. Got a mouse pad. Nothing crazy. It is a big mouse pad. That will be nice, I'm sure. Oh yeah. Yeah. I like that. I like that. Okay. Get some all-purpose wipes for like the chairs, the mics, the desk, the surfaces on everything. I just wanted to have something here to wipe stuff down with. These are a bunch of trash bags for that little trash can. Got some cable ties. Was thinking about possibly doing that today, but that's gonna be a mission. So I don't know. USB cable. I do want to check these out. This is a headphone extender for when we have the electric drum set back here. Trying to figure out if this is even gonna work. I mean, yeah, it'll work. I just gotta figure out. I'm gonna make sure it works. I'll test that here in just a little bit. But yeah, that is all of the stuff. All right. I am gonna wipe down some of these surfaces a little bit. It's not gonna be perfect, y'all, but it'll be nice to have these cleaned up at least a little bit. All right, y'all. Well, I know it wasn't a super crazy eventful day, but it's honestly more than my brain was telling me to film today, so I feel pretty good about that. Yeah, I'm pumped about all this stuff. By the time I leave today, all of this stuff will be, like the chair will be gone and everything will be organized, but I think that's kind of just as much as it makes sense for me to show you guys. I mean, I don't want to bore you to death. I feel like this video is already kind of boring, but appreciate y'all watching. I'm just going to be here in a couple days. We're going to have a drum set over here, and it's going to be freaking awesome. I'm so excited. So, yeah, stay tuned for that. I'm excited. I'm going to do a full unboxing video of that. It's going to be really freaking cool. I'm pumped. So, all right. Thank you all for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Peace.